Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to put a dot about a number in Word. So very easily you can put a dot about a number. So firstly need to click on insert and equation, just click on it and now click on here accent and select this first one dot. And now if you see this dot box, type here number like 1 and now click on any empty area. Now click on any empty area. So you see this very easily you can put a dot about a number, and we need to remove this italics language. So just select it and click on home and italics search, just click on it to remove italics language. So this way you can very easily put a dot about a number in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.